Why does your scanner show the P242C engine code? What does it mean? P242C is a diagnostic trouble code for exhaust gas temperature sensor circuit, low bank 1 sensor 3. This engine code indicates that this means the engine's PCM has detected a fault in the exhaust gas temperature sensor circuit, specifically that the voltage signal from the sensor is lower than expected. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty EGT sensor, wiring issues, PCM problems, exhaust system modifications. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Ram 3500 models. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.